this machine has been a partner.
I think we will be able to benefit from the Lodal machine.
This is to multiple usage, this is the best machine.
Every construction activity can be handled by this Lodal.
જેસીબી લોડોલ જેવું નામ છે એવું જ તેનું કામ છે.
In one machine, we are getting 4 machines. This is a complete machine for tunneling business.
We chose Lodal machine basically for offloading our containers. This will help me in my labor doing the other good job rather than offloading the containers, which will take the time. Seeing JCB in my plant will make my customers and my suppliers feel that they are working in an organized industry rather than in a scrap secondary industry.
I think we went through the presentations given by JCB, and we thought that it's a good equipment for us. It's a versatile application which has a bucket, forklift kind of operation, as also very long arm and very long reach. Ease of operation, as I mentioned earlier, simplicity in terms of more efficient. I think in terms of manpower saving, with the forklift we were having 2 persons to aid the forklift operator to load and move the material, specifically bales of pulp or waste paper. In the case of Lodal, it is we don't need any additional person. The Lodal operator alone is able to do this job, and more safe operation. I'm sure wherever there is a metal handling involved in a large way, Lodal is the equipment to be considered before we look for any other equipment.
Shri Balaji Aluminicast is into aluminum recycling. I looked into telehandlers, which is made for India and based on the Baco platform. We got the machine, we had it with us for a long time for a demo. So with the container unloading bucket, I think we do a lot of heaping, a lot of container unloading itself and loading also. They gave us an attachment which is a puller and pulls all the material forward so that we can unload it by the bucket. It's helped us in a lot of ways in cost, just because we're now able to do not only a 20-footer container, we're also able to do a 40-footer container. And we do everything with this machine. We're not even hiring one person for that.
Our company dealing with completely grown, fully grown trees and importing from all over the world. We are using all the equipment, and for example bucket to move the fertilizer, and also actually we are using hook to lift the plants, to shift one location to other location. For unloading of the trees we use forklift, and the man bucket we use for fertilizer spraying and pesticide spraying and pruning. I felt very happy, and this is worth to buy and worth to invest. This is a all-in-one machine, and I recommend everyone actually. This is to multiple usage. This is the best machine.
मैंने जो ये लोडल नया लॉन्च हुआ उसके बाद में मैंने नेट पे ये वीडियो देखा तो इसका जो किस तरह से काम कर रहा है, कैसी स्पीड पे काम कर रहा है वो मैंने देखा। उसके बाद में मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं जेसीबी मशीन प्रेफर करूंगा लेने के लिए। जो हमने ये लोडर लिया है उसकी 7 मीटर तक हाइट जाती है। तो खास करके हमें जो कोल बिजनेस में जो यूज़ करना है, जो कोल है वो दूसरे मशीन में 500 केजी आता है और इसमें हमारा 1500 केजी आता है। तो इससे भी हमें काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ता है और स्पीड भी अच्छी मिलती है हमें। एक ही लोडर के अंदर मुझे 3-4 चीज़ शामिल हो जाती है। एक तो हुक, फोर्क, क्लिप, और कि ये लोडल से मुझे संतुष्ट हूँ मैं। लोडल ये जो जितने काम में आता है, एक तो मेरा टाइम भी बहुत सेव होता है, डीजल भी सेव होता है और काम करने की जो ग्रिप है इसके अंदर वो भी फास्ट है।
We need to work at a height of 8 meter. So this 11 meter loader and very suitable for this tunneling project. Mainly with this JCB loader, we are using main basket for fixing of this ventilation duct, and especially fixing of the rock bolt, and for grouting at the high level. We also need this main basket, lift tires with this forklift, and heaping sands with these shovels. In tunneling work, especially this safety is concerned, and in load all we are find everything in safe manner. Especially when using this load all machine, we are saving a lot of time. Earlier, for completion one job, we take 1 hour. With this load all that we are completing in 15 minutes. I would like to say that this is a complete machine for tunneling business. In one machine, we are getting 4 machines.
JCB load all is really worth enough to have at site, because every construction activity can be handled by this load all. We used this one for electrical pole erections, shifting of material. GP shovel is a versatile attachment. It can we can use it for shifting of soil, shifting of aggregates. The load all has really replaced many equipments in one go. We have saved a lot manpower and overall economy we have achieved through load all. So the maneuverability is very good for this machine. So regarding attachment changing also, it is very easy for even directly the operator can change the attachments. There is no hassle. Overall my construction activity has improved a lot.
લોડર જે 10થી 15 ફૂટે સટ્ટો મારી શકે, યા 20થી 22 ફૂટ લગીને 23 ફૂટ લગીને હાઈટે કપાસનો સટ્ટો મારી શકે છે. તો પહેલા નંબરમાં તો આમાં ક્લચ પ્લેટ આવતી નથી જેસીબી લોડરમાં, એક એનું પ્લસ પોઈન્ટ છે. બીજા નંબરમાં કે કોઈ પણ કામ આસાનીથી એ કરી શકે છે. લોડર જે કામ કરે, જે 20થી 22 બેકેટે જે કપાસિયાની ગાડી ભરે એ આવડા 10થી 12 બેકેટમાં કપાસિયાની ગાડી લોડ કરી શકે છે. ત્રીજા નંબરમાં કે જે ગાંસડીની ગાડી હોય છે, કપાસની ગાંસડીની ગાડી હોય છે, જે મજૂર માણસોથી, મારવાડી લોકોથી જે 1.5 થી 2 કલાક ભરવામાં થાય છે, જે 20 થી 30 મિનિટમાં ગાડીને લોડ કરીને કમ્પ્લીટ કરી આપે છે. ચોથા નંબરમાં આવડ્યા જે લોડર 3.5 થી 4 કલાકે 3.5 થી 4 લીટરની એવરેજ આપે છે કલાકે, એ જ એવરેજ આ આપે છે.